Good afternoon, it's Mr. Hardy here. As I've been getting a few things done today and answering some questions and actually got to talk with a couple of you in Google Meets here during the day, I had a couple things I wanted to get out to you. Tired of sending emails today. My eyes are kind of crossing here with that. So here's what I basically got for you. First, some encouragement. I know this is tricky to keep yourself organized and motivated and all the things, whether you're remote, whether you're coming a couple of days, no matter what. Some of you expressed that to me. I feel it. Trust me, I feel it too, sitting here by myself today, trying to get that stuff done. But we got to keep pressing ahead here. We got to figure this out because this is what we got to do this semester. But to look ahead a little bit on some things, I've got a couple of ideas for those of you that are going to be in class with me this week and some of you that are on your own at home. First thing I want to talk about, work deadlines, okay? There are actually deadlines in here. These aren't going to last forever. There are a lot of blanks in the grade book right now because I thought we'd get done with week one stuff by the end of week one, and it's not quite happening. So we extended those deadlines until 4 p.m. Wednesday. After that, I will go back in to all the sites we work with, Google Classroom, Delta Math, quizzes. I'm going to update everything, and then I'm done, unless there's something really strange going on, okay? From here on out, week 2, starting today and forevermore, 4 p.m. Sunday will be the deadline on everything, okay? Grades will get posted after that. I will not keep things open. I will not extend them out. And when I say grades posted after, I wish I could show you what I've looked like this week, trying to keep up with grades as people submitted, resubmitted. My grade's higher, my grade's here, my grade's there. Some of you are like, I just retook it. Why isn't it up from like 30 to 70? Because I haven't seen it. I haven't gotten there, to be perfectly honest. So for everybody's sanity, even if you're done on Monday afternoon with the entire week, yes, I know one of you are, you're not going to see the grades posted in Skyward until later in that week, just so I can try to keep my sanity and do a good job of making sure your grades are updated, okay? Parents, if you're seeing this, you do have the option on quizzes to be able to put in your email address, and as your students are taking all of their summatives, have an email sent to you. If you'd like to know more about that, email me, or maybe I can try to get a video up on that soon. It's not too hard. Delta Math, I can't do that yet. I've emailed them to see if there's a way of doing that. And that's about covering things for now. But the best thing you can do, parents, is keep looking at Google Classroom and see what's going on. And I got something for your kids here. Okay, so these are the trackers, you can't see them real well, that I post on the top of my Classroom website each week under Classroom. These are also posted on the Harlan website under the remote distance learning, okay? And what they are basically is a checklist, that's a little better, a checklist of what I would personally say students should try to get through on each of the days of the week. So they know exactly what they're doing, that they're not behind. Some of them are saying, have I done everything? Well, I don't know. You know that. You have these things. On my website, there's actual links on these, so it would take them directly to the assignment. So it kind of helps. So what I'm going to do with our tracker this week that's up is I'm going to make paper copies. So those of you that are in class with me, you're going to get paper copies of these. And I literally want you, as you get something done, to check them off so you can see where you're at. Am I ahead? Am I behind? What's going on? For those of you at home, if you have printer capability, I would print these. If you do not, then you're going to have to sit there somehow, maybe write it down and write down, okay, today's, sorry about that. I'm still trying to figure this out. So today, I need to do an algebraic expressions review. I need to do a linear equations review. And I need to look at 1.3 part 2, which is going to be a video lesson. I need to do all those 3 things today. If I get them done, great. If I don't, I need to get to that to the next day. Because as you can see, there's several things each day, but it's not like it's 90 minutes worth of work like a regular block would be each day. Most of these days, the assignments on there might be 25, 30 minutes, okay? But do something to stay organized. I'm going to try and help you in here. I'm going to give more hints as I can, but you got to stay on top of this stuff. And thank you to those of you who've been telling me some of my links are getting broken or a video is not playing. That's still a work in progress here. I'm getting those updated and fixed as quickly as I can. So thank you so much. Keep working hard. I miss seeing you guys and hope to talk to you a little later.